ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
The United Democratic Party UDP kalapan bana bakan penyakun da uasha hel di Shira haki election shiteng samoy na Rajabala constituency. Presiden ke UDP uba medba lingdo ulapan pau ya kejing ngos kem baka UDP kan job na Rajabala namar ba uasha hel di Shira udai UMLA Barim but UMDC ba menta Hagaro Hills Autonomous District Council. Uba medba lingdo uliyat ho baka UDP harengkat ke HSPDP kibadan ha kinhon jang ke Regional Democratic Alliance kila shim ya karai ban ang Pynïeng kertong na Mawryngkneng constituency hagani ke election shiteng samoy hanrei kin Kyrshan ya ukurtong jang ke NPP uba penyait sings e.
We are pleased to inform you that we had decided with regards to the by-elections in all the three constituencies. Last week we had already announced the name of Sri Eugene Lingdop Mawryngkneng as our official candidate from the Mawryngkneng constituency. The second one is for the Rajabala, 47 Rajabala constituency, where we had also decided and would like to announce today that our official candidate from the 47 Rajabala constituency is Sri Ashehel Dalbot Shira. He is the sitting MDC from the Barim MDC constituency. He is contesting from our party, and since it's too short of a time to have him here with us, he came late last night we had to complete all the formalities with regards to all the official matters, procedures which is to be followed. Matters related to the party affairs. So we had decided yesterday for his candidature for this Rajabala constituency. Mr. Ashehel Dalbot Shira also would like to announce, and as you are all aware, that he was the MLA from the Rajabala constituency only.
2013.
From 2013 to 2018 as the member of the Legislative Assembly. So that's all for Rajabala and the Mawryngkneng. Now coming to the Mawryngkneng constituency, the circle leaders have suggested that this time they will not field any candidate, and they would like to extend their support as the party to Sri Pynïeng, who is the sitting MDC and the candidate from the NPP ticket. So, as the party at the state level, we have endorsed the decisions taken by the circle level, and we will also like to announce that we will not be putting any official candidate from the party in the Mawryngkneng constituency. So therefore, the support will be extended to Sri Pynïeng. Before you ask any question why we are supporting about Pynïeng, I would like to inform you that since the local leaders have decided, because of different issues and different development activities within the constituency, therefore we also feel that it will be appropriate for us to extend the support to him and not to field any candidate. last recent MDC election, we have made our inroads as far as Garo Hills sector is concerned. In fact, we did not expect that the kind of vote banks that we got in the last MDC election was very, very encouraging for us. That Garo Hills also is one area where we can take part in the whatever coming elections. So this is one of the elections that we felt that by getting the right candidate for the right constituency, we will definitely take a call. So with regards to the Rajabala constituency, this time we had done proper analysis as far as the Rajabala constituency, and we felt that our official candidate Ashahel Dishira will definitely win this election. This is what the feedbacks and the inputs that we got from the constituency. Now it all depends on the candidates. Somebody will play to some extent, but candidate matters a lot. And I think it's a combination of both. As far as the decisions for Mawryngkneng and Mawryngkneng, we had discussed not only at the party level, but with the consent of the RDA partners, which means HSPDP, which is another political party, have also endorsed the candidature of these candidates which we have put up for these two constituencies. I will not say at all because we don't have any kind of understanding at the state level as far as that part is concerned. But our support will be for Pynïeng. Well, see, from one constituency to another constituency it differs. So our local friends who are our local leaders from the party within the circle felt that this is the time that we have to do that. So we also feel that. Because end of the day, it is the local leaders who have to work on the field. Everybody, but once they feel the candidate, definitely they would like to see that their candidate wins the election, definitely. But we also would like to assure that we will definitely work very hard for our candidate, by Eugene, for the Mawryngkneng constituency, and ensure that he sailed through. I already responded to one of your colleagues who asked me about sympathy vote. It is a combination of both, the candidate and the sympathy vote, definitely. We decided to accept his candidature for Mawryngkneng constituency based on some parameters which we have to measure as far as our candidate. As I have said, it's not just only sympathy, but it is also from the candidate side. So we have a very strong candidate, and he's a very young, very dynamic, very sporty, person. So I don't see any doubts why we cannot sit through this. And it is the people of that constituency only who, had gone and met him and convinced him that he should contest this election. It's not just from the family side. But at the end of the day, it is the consent from all sides. So they have taken the decisions. And we also felt that he is the right candidate for us. As far as Mawryngkneng is concerned, he is the right candidate.